In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the power rule. So what if we have a power to a power? So just like this one, it says simplify, express your answer using a single exponent. We have x to the 5 to the power of 6. So we have a power to a power. Okay, so how do you do that? To raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. So we have our expression here, and what you would do is just multiply these two numbers together, and you would get x to the 5 times 6. So the answer would be simplified as x to the 30. Okay, so let's do a couple more, and I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know about this. So what if we have x to the 5 to the 0? An exponent to the power of 0 equals 1. Okay, so that means if we multiply these two together, we use our power rule, x to the 5 times 0 is going to equal x to the 0 because any number times 0 is going to be 0. And so x to the power of 0 is just going to be 1. An exponent to the power of 0 equals 1. Okay? Now we have this problem here, x to the 0 to the power of 6. Well, it's the same thing. You just take the power rule and you multiply 0 times 6. X to the 0 times 6. So we know that equals 0. X to the 0 equals 1. And that's it. That's all there is. Those are all the tricks you need to know how to do this. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. You just probably need another explanation. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.